What if every plastic bottle, bag, and wrapper on Earth could clean the air instead of polluting it? What if our biggest trash problem secretly became our biggest climate solution? In the next few minutes, I'll explain this idea in simple words, so even a 10-year-old can understand it. And before we begin, please subscribe to Thinkverse. It costs nothing, but it gives me inspiration to create more mind-bending ideas like this. Right now, the world has made over 9 billion tons of plastic. That's heavier than 1 billion elephants. Most of it ends up in landfills, oceans, or gets burned, which adds carbon dioxide, the gas that warms our planet. But now imagine this. What if all plastic was turned into something called BAETA? BAETA is not magic, but it acts like a carbon sponge. Instead of floating in the ocean, every BAETA bottle would pull carbon out of the air, quietly, all day long. Scientists imagine BAETA copying a smart trick from DNA, not copying life, but copying the pattern, like Lego blocks snapping together in just the right way. Each piece of BAETA could grab tiny bits of carbon from the air and lock them away safely. Let's put numbers on it. If just 50% of global plastic became BAETA, it could trap up to 10 billion tons of CO₂ over 20 years. That's nearly 1 full year of human carbon pollution. Every street sign, park bench, phone case, or bottle becomes a mini air cleaner. Cities wouldn't just look modern, they'd be breathing for us. Pro number 1, trash becomes useful, plastic stops being waste and starts being a tool. Pro number 2, no machines needed, no loud factories, no giant fans. BAETA works silently. Pro number 3, long-term storage. Carbon stays locked for decades instead of floating back into the air. Con number 1, cost. BAETA could be 2 to 3 times more expensive than normal plastic at first. Con number 2, speed. It captures carbon slowly, not fast enough to fix climate change alone. Con number 3, overconfidence risk. People might pollute more, thinking BAETA will fix everything. So BAETA wouldn't replace clean energy, but it could support it. This idea flips the story. Instead of asking, how do we get rid of plastic? We ask, how can plastic help us? Sometimes the future isn't about removing problems, but teaching them a new job. If this idea stretched your imagination, stay tuned. Within the next few days, I'll bring you another mind-bending short. What if life was based on silicon in a sulfuric acid world? A place where water kills life, but acid helps it grow. So if you enjoyed this journey, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Thinkverse, because you've already watched till the end, and your support keeps these ideas alive.